Hello friends, myself Ritesh Navagaje, lecturer in Instrumentation, Government Polytechnic Yavatmal. Today we will discuss uninterrupted power supply. Before moving the forward, you should require some prerequisites to learn uninterrupted power supply, and they are rectifier, basic of filter and basic of inverter. After watching this video, you should be able to define uninterrupted power supply, state the types of uninterrupted power supplies, and you should be explain with sketches the working of given types of uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply, it is also called as UPS. U for uninterrupted, P for power and S for supply. It is defined as an electrical equipment which is used for immediate power source to the connected load when there is failure to the main input power supply. Here is a reflection spot. Can you differentiate between UPS and inverter? Pause this video and record your answer. Let's see the comparison. UPS, when the main power fails, UPS provide power to the load. Inverter converts the unidirectional current, that is DC, into bidirectional. Inverter takes time to switch, whereas UPS switches immediately. Inverter supply the power for long duration, whereas UPS supply the power for short duration. Types of UPS. UPS having three types as an follow: offline UPS, online UPS and line interactive UPS. One by one we will discuss the type of UPS. First one, offline UPS. Offline UPS is also called as standby UPS. Here is the block diagram for offline UPS. The main power supply is provided to the load through surge suppress and the filter like this. At the same time, the batteries are going to charge through rectifier like this. As soon as the main power supply fails, the DC voltage which is stored in batteries get converted to AC voltage by means of power inverter and its transfer to the load like this. Next one, online UPS. Here is the basic block diagram of online UPS. In this, load is connected to inverter through the UPS static switch and it is normally a on switch. It turns off only when the UPS system fails. Online UPS system having various operating mode. In mode 1, the main power supply is on and supply is provided to the battery and inverter through rectifier. Note that the rectifier is also act as battery charger and its ratings are usually higher. The inverter output is provided to the load via UPS static switch. Hence, in mode 1, the battery will be charged. In mode 2, if supply fails suddenly, the rectifier output will be 0 and hence the supply will be taken from the batteries without any interruption and delay. There will not be any change in inverter as well as load. After restoration of line supply, the mode 2 will converted to mode 1. In mode 3, if the inverter or UPS fails, then the normally off main static switch is turned on and transfer the main supply to the load automatically, like this. Line interactive UPS. It is a combination of offline and online UPS. In this UPS, the inverter plays a dual role. First one, charging the battery when main supply is present, and second one, regulating the output voltage and working as a normal inverter in absence of main supply. We will see some applications of UPS. UPS are used in data center, industries, telecommunication sectors, hospitals, bank and insurance companies. At the end, we will summarize the point. When the power fails, UPS provided the power to the load. We will also discuss the types of UPS, that is offline UPS, online UPS and line interactive UPS. We will also discuss the applications of UPS. If any questions, please comment in comment box. Thank you very much.